Okay, I tell you what, I've done almost 30 cups this winter that I sold. This cup, and the reason why it's taken me this long, for some reason, I know you can't see it, but when you feel, this next coat of epoxy will be its fourth coat. Okay, for some reason, I think it's the glow in the, no, I don't think it's the glow in the dark stuff. But when I cure it, on it, you can feel little bumps. I don't sell I know this was a giveaway, but I didn't want to send it with little bumps, so I sand it down, clean it up. You can see, let me see if you can see, like right here, I had to do it all over again. I sanded it down in the spots that had the little bumps. I did it both on my spinner. I also used my topper, and you put it on there, and then you run the epoxy down, and it's all smooth. And I don't know what the deal is. I just didn't want to send it when you could feel little bubbles. And I have, I also made you a hat. So I have my heat gun, or my, and that pops the bubbles. And so that's not what it is. And this, the epoxy that I use is really, really good epoxy. And I have not had it do it. This is the first cup all winter that has given me fits. So Scott, SD Mountain Man, I am so sorry it's taken this long. This next coat will be the fourth coat that I'll be putting on this, to try to not have little bubbles, little bumps in it. And darling, if it just has bumps, I'm just going to send it to you. You just have to use it as a work cup. I tell you what, I don't know why this was giving me so much fits. But this is the reason why it's taken so long. I made you a hat. See, SD Mountain Man. And I'll send a couple of decals to you also. So, one more coat of epoxy. That'll take approximately 4 days to really cure. I generally don't ship them out until after 7 days. That way it makes it pretty sure that it's not going to mess up the epoxy. But I'll just get it out to you. You can use it as a work cup. So I just wanted to put this out here. Alrighty, y'all. SD Mountain Man, Scott, I'm so sorry it's taken so long. It just gave me fits. Alrighty, adios.